Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and nutritious protein powder smoothie. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 scoop of your preferred protein powder, whether it's whey, casein, or a plant-based option. Next, select a liquid base, such as 8 to 12 ounces of water, almond milk, or coconut water. Finally, choose your favorite fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats to add. Now that you have your ingredients, let's talk about the blending order for the best results. Always pour your chosen liquid into the blender first. This helps the blades move freely. Then, add your protein powder and any other dry ingredients like oats or seeds. Finally, pile in your fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables. Using frozen fruit can eliminate the need for ice, making your smoothie thicker and colder. Making your smoothie unique is easy and fun. You can enhance the flavor with a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a dash of vanilla extract, or even a tablespoon of cocoa powder for a chocolatey treat. For an extra nutritional boost, consider adding 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, flax seeds, or a spoonful of your favorite nut butter. If you prefer a sweeter taste, a small amount of honey or maple syrup works wonderfully. Once all your ingredients are in, secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds, depending on your blender and ingredients. Pour your perfectly blended protein smoothie into a glass and enjoy it right away for the best flavor and nutrient absorption. Don't be afraid to experiment with various fruits and add-ins to find your ultimate, personalized recipe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.